In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create UGC videos with an influencer made with AI. So first of all, we need to go to Novoads AI, and here you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here, and here we need to go to the image section. Now here we're going to paste this prompt, or actually you can use the prompt that you want. This is simply to create the influencer. Here I give to the AI a little description of how I want her to be, and then we have to go to settings, and in settings I'm going to change the model to GPT image 2, the quality from high to medium, and now we have to click here. Perfect. Now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect. Here we have 3 options. Personally, I'm going to choose this one. So I'm going to download the image. And now we have to go to the video section. Now we have to click here. And now I'm going to upload the image that we downloaded. So now that we have the image in the video section, now we can create an UGC video with this AI influencer. So now to do it, I created this prompt that is for a perfume that I'm going to upload the image of the perfume. And now we have to go to settings. Here the model should be Sedans 2.0. And as you can see, I created the prompt for 12 seconds. So in duration, 12 seconds is okay. Now we have to click here and now click in generate. Perfect. Now we have to wait more or less 4 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it.
Okay, I need to talk about this perfume because wow.
Chanel No. 5, I mean, it's a classic for a reason. You barely put it on and it already smells luxurious. It lasts all day. I literally put it off in the morning and it was still there at night.
Obsessed.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot. The girl, as you can see, looks really similar to the one of the image that we created. The video looks really realistic. And well, if you want to do a video like this one, the prompts are going to be in the comment section, and you can try Novoads AI for just $1. And then if you don't like it, you can just cancel anytime. So after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video.